This excavator imported directly from Korea and just completed, fully reconditioned. The engine is Yanmar, and breaker line and quick clamp and tongs. This tongs is a special attachment of this unit, are installed. The quick clamp is a hydraulic device that it can be buckets exchanged easily and conveniently. The most unique device of this excavator is tongs. It's a really useful attachment at construction site and when you build house too. And it's really convenient for moving things, masonry of stones, or arranging the site, so you can save a lot of time and money. There are things you should always keep in mind when you use breaker. Do not use it at high speed. If you use it at high speed, your work efficiency will not be faster. Rather, the excavator may be overloaded and cause a malfunction. And hydraulic pump are in excellent condition. The cockpit has had most parts replaced. Foam sealing was installed to keep the air conditioner cool. Also, all oil seals of all cylinders have been replaced, so there is no leakage of hydraulic oil. The boom light additionally installed, so there is no inconvenience even when working at night. Thank you for watching the video so far. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe. Thank you so much again.